Right, so the third query is to display the seller account reference, seller name, product code, product description, number of orders, total quantity sold, and total sales, calculated as the sum of quantity times price for all sellers and the products they sell, even if they have not sold any of a particular product. Null values should be displayed as 0, displaying the total sales with two decimals and prefixed by a pound sign, and we should sort the results by the total quantity sold, lowest first. Right, so let's start with select. We'll get we need to get seller's account reference and seller's name, which we take from seller's table. And this will be seller account ref as seller ref. Then we take seller name as seller name. Okay, and then we need to take product code, product description. We'll take this from the product table. So product code as code and product description as prod description. Obviously, use any alias that you want. I'll just make it shorter to save time. Okay, and then we need to we need to get the number of orders. So to get the number of orders, we'll need to get uh, the order ID from the ordered products, and we will need to count those. So we'll use the count function to count. We'll use OP for now. This is an alias for the ordered products that we'll put later. Order ID as number of orders. Right. Now now we need to get the total quantity sold. To get the total quantity sold, we'll need to use the sum function um, on the quantity column from ordered products. So need to use sum. Um, we'll say OP again. Quantity as total quantity. Right, but to handle any, like it says at the end, to handle any null values, they should be displayed as 0. So to do this, we'll add if null function um, inside the sum function. So any null values will be converted to 0. You can also put this in sorry. You can also put this null function outside the sum function, so it looks like this. Oh, and it will basically be the same result. It doesn't really matter. Well, now we need to get the we need to get the total um, sales. So to get total sales, we'll need to get the sum of quantity times price. So um, so sum function again. Op dot quantity times and the price will need to will take it from the order product as well. So dot price. Hmm. And again, to handle any null values, we should um, use the ifnull function. Sorry, ifnull function, and we should also write this with two decimals prefixed by a pound sign, like the query requires. So printf will open the quotation marks and we'll say pound sign percentage point 2f, oh, 2f, then comma, and we close the printf function. Okay, and I think pretty much we are done um for for the select part. Now we'll say from, and we'll get it. The main table will be sellers. That's where we get the first references. So sellers, and then we'll need to join other tables, and we'll use left join because we need to take any sellers even if they haven't sold any product. So to do that, we'll use left join, and we'll join product sellers. Okay, and we'll say ps on sellers dot seller id, um, id equals to ps dot seller id. Okay, then left join will join products table, and we'll put this as p, let's say, on uh, on ps dot product id equals to p dot product id. Then left joining the last table, which is ordered product, and we said we'll use the op alias for it. On op dot product id equals with ps dot product id, and we also need to join the seller's id. Seller's id equals with op dot seller id. Right. And we also need to group this to get the correct results. We need to group them by product ID and by seller ID. So I'll say op dot product ID and then op dot seller ID. And at the end, it says we should sort the results by total quantity sold lows first. So in a descending order. Order by did we? Oh, we didn't give an alias to this as total sold by total total sold, um, let's see, ascending order. So this is the result of our query. Uh, not total, but total quantity sold. Oh, so total quantity. Yeah, that looks more like it. And to verify how correct the results of the total sold are, we can take the prices from um, from product sellers to see the prices of the product. So we'll say ps dot price, and yeah, okay, so yeah, so they've let's take this product, Samsung Galaxy M30s SIM-free smartphone. It's got 3 orders. Total quantity sold was 10. The price of an individual one is 249, and the 10 sold products amounted to 2,490 pounds total quantity sold, which is correct. Um, and any null values like here, we can see that they are put as 0. And as you can see, this product haven't been sold at all. There was no orders, so we still get it here. That's why we use the left join. So even if there were no orders for a certain product, we'll still get the result of it here. And this is the query.